The trade tension between Canada and the US has just escalated dramatically. Prime Minister Mark Carney is taking direct aim at two automotive giants, General Motors and Stellantis. This comes after both companies decided to move critical production out of Canada. Stellantis is shifting its Jeep Compass line to the United States, and General Motors is ending production of its BrightDrop electric vans in Ontario. For thousands of Canadian workers, especially in Ontario, this is a devastating blow to their livelihoods. For years, Canada supported these automakers with a special tariff-free quota. This deal allowed them to import a certain number of vehicles from the US without paying any duties. But this benefit came with one major condition: they had to keep jobs and investment in Canada. By moving their production south, GM and Stellantis broke that trust. Now, Ottawa is delivering a sharp financial punishment. The Canadian government is slashing their tariff-free quotas. General Motors will see its quota cut by 24%. For Stellantis, the penalty is even more severe, a 50% reduction. This means if they want to import more cars than their new limit, they will have to pay a hefty 25% tariff on every vehicle. This is a clear message from Carney's government. If you move jobs out of Canada, you will lose the financial benefits that came with staying. This fight is happening against a larger backdrop. Across the border, the political push for America First is putting immense pressure on automakers to bring all production back to the US. This is creating a direct competition for auto jobs, and Ontario's manufacturing heartland is caught in the middle. The auto industry is Canada's second-largest export, directly employing over 100,000 people and supporting nearly 500,000 more. The stakes for the Canadian economy could not be higher. So, what happens next? Prime Minister Carney has signaled a new focus on building a stronger, self-reliant Canadian economy. This quota cut is a major signal of that new, tougher approach. It shows Canada is willing to stand up to powerful companies to defend its industrial base. The big question is whether this retaliation will convince automakers to reinvest, or if it will deepen the economic divide with the US. One thing is clear: the battle for the future of North America's auto industry is fully underway. Canada is no longer sitting quietly on the sidelines. The trade fight is on, and the outcome will shape the economic landscape for years to come.